Now we are coming to the next point, recommendation of employees. The employees who are working for the organization, they sometimes recommend some person to the personal manager that these persons are very much eligible, they are hardworking and they want to work in the organization and their work is beneficial for the organization. Therefore, they visit the personal manager in this respect and suggest the names of these. They may be the relatives of the person who are doing the work. तो कहने का मतलब है कि एम्प्लॉय जो वर्तमान में काम कर रहे हैं फैक्ट्री में, वे या संस्था में, वे अपने सगे संबंधी और जान पहचान के किसी के भी नाम मतलब सजेस्ट करते हैं अपने पर्सनल मैनेजर को जो रिक्रूट करते हैं और उनको कन्विंस करते हैं कि जो व्यक्ति है वो मेहनती है, निष्ठावान है, ईमानदार है और काम के प्रति सजग है, उसको संस्था में काम करने का मौका दिया जाए. So in this respect, the personal manager thinks about it because the person who are suggesting, they are the employees of the organization. Then the campus recruitment, very much popular in the universities where the technical education is given, maybe the management education, maybe the IITs who are producing the engineers. The campus selection is done. The companies, they make contact with the universities and when the last semester or final semester is going on, they go to the campus and select the efficient candidates who clear the interview. So this campus selection is organized in the universities and the companies or the organizations, they go there to find the suitable candidates for working with them. So this is the campus selection or campus recruitment. Then the placement agencies. Then the placement agencies are there. These agencies, they are very much helpful to the people because they act as a mediator in providing the employment to the people and they provide them the employment. So the placement agencies, they provide the mediator employment and they charge a marginal commission from the person who are the job seeker. They have direct contact and link with the company and they provide them the personnel required with the required qualification, experience and knowledge. So these are the few things of the external sources of recruitment. Now we go into the advantages or benefits. What are the advantages of the external recruitment? First one is larger pool of candidates. The scope of external recruitment is much more as compared to the internal. Why? Because the methods, the pool of candidates is very much vast, very wide. We can select employees from a very wide view or wide range. Therefore, this is much more beneficial. Then the other advantage, the second is the desired quantity and quality of the candidates are easily available. तो कहने का हमारा ये मतलब है कि इसमें हमको किस तरह कैंडिडेट चाहिए, कितनी मात्रा में चाहिए, दोनों हमको आसानी से मिलना है क्योंकि यहाँ पे पूल हमारे पास लंबा है, बड़ा है, चौड़ा है, कैंडिडेट्स की संख्या ज़्यादा है इंटरनल के मुकाबले, तो हमको अपना मनचाहा कैंडिडेट आसानी से मिल सकते हैं. When the remuneration is high or the payment is of the candidates is much, then a lot of candidates they come and propose for the work or the job. Therefore, the pool is very large one, and these are the few advantages. Now the disadvantages. It is a costly process. External recruitment is a costly process, and the small units which have the less capital and they are not strong in economic terms, they can't employ this method. So for small units it is not beneficial. Then the next disadvantage. रिस्क इज मोर इन हायरिंग अननोन कैंडिडेट. यहाँ पे रिस्क ज़्यादा होता है. क्यों ज़्यादा होता है? क्योंकि जिसको हम रिक्रूट कर रहे हैं उसके बारे में मेरे को पता नहीं है. उसकी क्वालिफिकेशन मेरे पास है, टेक्निकल नॉलेज मेरे पास है, लेकिन वास्तव में वो काम कर पाएगा कि नहीं, या वास्तव में वो निष्ठावान है कि नहीं, ईमानदार है कि नहीं, ये हमको बिना काम कराए ये हम नहीं बता पाएंगे. सो दिस आर सम ऑफ द रिस्क इन्वॉल्व इन द एक्सटर्नल सोर्स ऑफ रिक्रूटमेंट. बट आई कैन सजेस्ट दैट for big concern who have sound financial status, they can use the external source of recruitment, and small organization who are financially weaker, they can use the first one, the notice, or the internal sources. So these are the benefits, and each system has their own benefit and demerits. So we can't blame any one system for this. So thank you very much for listening to me. Have a good day.